Hi QAST community, I'm Robyn, Chief Executive at Health and Wellbeing Queensland, and I'm excited to announce the winner of this year's Tuckshop Recipe of the Year competition. Now, over the past few months, we've seen Tuckshops across the state show off their creativity, their passion and their commitment to serving up healthy, tasty and affordable food for our students. This year we had a record number of entries and 7 finalists truly raised the bar. From classic comfort foods to clever new twists, the judges had a really tough decision on their hands. But after much tasting, testing and debating, it's time to reveal our winner. So the 2025 Tuckshop Recipe of the Year goes to the taco roll from Coombabah State School. Congratulations to Jen and the amazing Tuckshop team at Coombabah for creating a dish that's packed with flavour, fun and even student appeal. The taco roll stood out for its clever take on a favourite, making it easy to serve, affordable and a guaranteed hit with hungry students. It's exactly the kind of smart, balanced meal that belongs in every single Tuckshop. On behalf of the Queensland Association of School Tuckshops, thank you to every single school that entered, our wonderful judges, and of course, the dedicated Tuckshop conveners and volunteers who make a difference each and every single day. To see the recipes from this year's finalists and for more recipe inspiration, head over to QAST.org.au.